Are you ever worried about spam callers, junk emails, stalkers, or you just want to keep your data private? Because, it's your data. It's your private data. Here's a quick way to remove self-identifying information like your name, address, phone number, email, and many more off the internet. Before we continue, make sure to follow CyberHawks for more cybersecurity tips, latest information technology trends, and personal security best practices. Did you know Being Verified, White Pages, and over 200 other companies are some of the biggest data brokers? They're known to harvest this data from freemium websites, applications, loyalty programs, cache data, internet usage history, and your publicly available records. The quick and easy way is to locate your identity on Being Verified and take it off. Here we are assuming a Jane Doe, a placeholder name. Once you confirm your profile, provide your name, state, and email information, then submit the forms or verify your identity with a phone call, and voila. I'd recommend doing this every 12 months because remember, this broadcast is constantly snooping for your next sets of free downloads, Google serves, and BMV record renewals, for example. For a more holistic approach, I recommend using an automated platform like JustDeleteMe.com and say goodbye to unsolicited contact. For more cybersecurity tips and tricks, latest information technology trends, personal security best practices, stay connected on all platforms with CyberHawks. Until next time, stay safe and keep those personal identifiable information secure and private. You're welcome. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.